The 2015 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, navigation system, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, alloy wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.